Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to work on the pool. We already got, had the tarp laid down. I kept that down basically over the winter. And the tarp helps. You want to scrape the ground anyway. And you want to be able to, you want your ground to be clean. I got a sand base underneath the tarp. Tarp's just to make sure that no rocks poke through or anything like that. It's not necessary, but I just had an extra tarp, so I thought I threw it down. I got it rinsed off. I used my blower, kind of got everything cleaned off. So now we're going to start setting it up. Basically just trying to get it lined up to about where I had it last year. This will be the second year that we've had this pool. I had the skimmer placed right back there. The pump was right back there because the electric was ran. So everything, the pump, the sand filter, everything is back there. I like to stagger first round to make sure you get them in that sleeve on the bottom there, and then just keep going around until they're done. Just like to go around and straighten them all up. Now we just gotta get the pins in there. Alright, now's the fun part. You gotta get inside, take your shoes off, socks, and we gotta basically kick the edges out. So it's nice and flat on the bottom. Water is cold. Just gotta keep going around until all the wrinkles are out. I like to kind of keep an eye on it while it's filling up a little bit. Just make sure, you know, the outside areas are good. The legs stick out good. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Do another final walk around and then we can start filling the pool. So there we go. I can start filling the pool now. Got the wrinkles out of there. Once it gets a few inches of water in here, I'll make sure to go around and check all the edges again. Check all the legs that are outside here. Make sure that they're all kind of sticking out. You don't want them in like this. Stay tuned to my next video. I'm going to set up the skimmer, show you all how I did that, because you know, a lot of these pools don't come with that skimmer installed. That was something I installed last year. I did a video on it. I'll link it up in the top there. But this year I'm going to try to, there's another piece that goes on the inlet jet for the pool. I'm going to cut into the pool liner. For that, I'm going to mount that this year. So stay tuned, subscribe to my videos, like it, share it with your friends if you learned something. Stay tuned for the next one.